How's it going, Facebook friends and family? This is Henry, owner and operator of Big Bin Wash Pros. Today we have a job recap of a concrete cleaning for a commercial property here in Tallahassee. If you guys know anyone that needs their concrete cleaned, be it driveway, sidewalk, pool area, etc., be sure to tag them down below or message us today for a free estimate. This property was actually a law firm here in Tallahassee, and we came through and did all the concrete, and we did the building as well. But this concrete was actually so dirty it was almost a slipping hazard to anyone who walked on it when it was wet. And we came through, hit it with our surface cleaner really well, and then we came back and post-treated it. And what this post-treatment does is it allows us to eliminate the ecosystem that is growing on that concrete. And as opposed to traditional pressure washing that you would do yourself or a less experienced company, this post-treatment allows it to last 2 to 4 times longer, and it also eliminates all the imperfections in your work, so you can have a nice, clean, even surface when we're done, as opposed to, wand marks that might be left behind or the tiger striping left by your surface cleaner. If you guys support local business, be sure to share this video, or at the very least leave us a thumbs up. Thank you and have a great day.